Now, what are the economic activities? Economic activity refers to the activity which is related to the use of scarce resources to satisfy maximum of unlimited human wants. These are undertaken for a monetary gain. These are what economists mean by ordinary business of life. So economics involves the study of human beings engaged in various economic activities. So what are the economic activities? So economic activity is the activity related to the scarce resources. The basic economic activities of the economy are production, consumption, distribution. Okay. Production is the economic activity which is related to the increasing the utility of the goods and services. Obviously, if we have cotton in the raw form, it does not have any utility. It has got utility to a producer, but to us, for our consumers, it has got no utility. But whenever this cotton is converted into cloth, it has got an utility. Okay. So production is that economic activity which is related to increasing the utility of a commodity or service. Consumption is that economic activity which is related to the use of goods and services for the direct satisfaction of the individual and collective wants. There would have been no production if there was no consumption. So consumption is related to the use of goods and services for the satisfaction of the people. If there was no consumption, obviously there would have been no production. So study of consumption, we try to know how the consumer decides with his given income, how will he choose among the different goods, what to buy from his income when he knows the prices. Okay. Next is distribution. So distribution is that economic activity which relates to determination of price of factors of production. This is known as factor pricing. Distribution is a study to know how national income is distributed through rent, wages, interest and profits. So distribution is that economic activity which relates to determination of the prices of factors of production. Okay, so this is known as the factor pricing. Means the services that they have given, we are estimating its value. This is known as factor pricing. Distribution is the study to know how national income is distributed through rent, wage, interest and profit. So it is the way we are distributing the national income among the factors of production, or estimation of the value of the services rendered by the factors of production. Other related economic activities are investment and exchange. So investment is the economic activity which is related to production of capital goods for further production of goods and services. For example, a production of car to be used as a taxi. So investment is that economic activity which is related with what? Which is related with the production of capital goods. Exchange is that economic activity which is related to sale and purchase of commodities. This buying and selling is mostly done in terms of price. So exchange is the economic activity which is related to sale as well as purchase. Obviously we are exchanging, we are selling, we are buying. So that is the exchange activity. This buying and selling is mostly done in terms of price because we estimate the value of good in terms of price. This is called product pricing. So factor pricing, product pricing, this can come in short questions. Difference between economic activities and non-economic activities. Economic activities are different from non-economic activities. That is, economic activities have economic aspects. Non-economic activities do not have economic aspect and are not concerned with monetary gain. So economic activities are done for the interest of the economy, like production of goods and services. It is done for the interest of the economy and it has got monetary gain. However, non-economic activities are not in dealing with any kind of production of goods or services and there is no monetary gain there. For example, religious activities, charitable activities, etc. So in the next video, we will be moving to the definition of economics.